Hey everyone, welcome back. I get this question a lot. Can you actually become a tax preparer if you have zero experience? No accounting background, no finance degree, nothing? Yes, absolutely yes. There is currently no federal requirement that you have any prior experience or education to become a paid tax preparer. You need a PTIN from the IRS, which I've covered in another video, and you need training. That's it. There's no degree requirement, there's no prerequisite course, there's no entrance exam. Now, does that mean you should just grab a PTIN and start preparing returns tomorrow? Absolutely not. The fact that the barrier to entry is so low doesn't mean the work is easy. Tax law is very complex. Clients are trusting you with their financial lives, and the IRS holds preparers accountable for errors. You need real training before you ever sit down with a client. But here's what I want you to hear. The training is learnable. You don't need to be a math genius. You don't need an accounting degree. Tax preparation is about understanding rules, following procedures, and paying attention to detail. If you can follow a process and care enough to get it right, you definitely can learn this. Think about who's doing this work right now. Plenty of successful preparers started as stay-at-home parents who wanted a flexible career, career changers who left corporate jobs, retirees who wanted something productive to do, people who worked at H&R Block for a season and realized they could do it on their own. The people who succeed aren't the ones with the fanciest credentials. They're the ones who invest in solid training, take it seriously, and build real relationships with their clients. That's exactly who MuseSpring is for. If you're starting from scratch and you want to learn from a tax attorney who will teach you the right way, check out MuseSpring.com. And a quick reminder, everything on this channel is educational and provided through MuseSpring for informational purposes only. If you have a specific legal or tax question, talk to a qualified professional about your situation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.